A rainy day that taught me something. Have you ever noticed how rain changes everything? The sky gets darker, the air feels fresher, and suddenly times slow down. Today, I want to share how one rainy day taught me something unexpected. It was an ordinary day. I had plans, I was in a hurry, and then suddenly it started raining. Not light rain, it was a heavy rain. The kind that forces you to stop. At first, I feel annoyed. My plans were ruined. I had to wait. So I stood near a window and watched people running for shelter, cars moving slowly, water flowing on the roads like tiny rivers. And in that moment, I realized life also does the same. Sometimes it makes us stop, nothing to punish us, but to make us notice what we usually ignore. I felt calm. I listened to the sound of raindrops. I watched the world slow down, and for the first time that day, I felt present. That rainy day taught me patience. It taught me that not every delay is a problem. Sometimes pauses are necessary. Just like rain refreshes the earth, pauses refresh our mind. We spend so much time rushing, but maybe life is asking us to slow down, breathe, and feel the moment. So, next time it rains, don't just think of wet clothes or cancelled plans. Think of it as a reminder to pause, to reflect, and to grow.